What's up, guys? It's your favorite mentor, Ofentse Ledwaba. Welcome to the channel once again. If you are a new subscriber, you know what to do. Click the like, subscribe button, click the like and share with your friends and families. Today, guys, I'll be sharing much more information about GBPJPY. As you know, GBPJPY is a pound yen, and you know most of the time it's volatile. It's unlike any other pairs. It's volatile and it also moves very much quickly, just like gold. So let's not waste much time, guys. Grab your pen and paper. Let's get into the chart. Make sure you take notes as I go into the GBPJPY. I'm on my favorite chart, guys, which is I'm using the platform Trading View. And if you like to use the broker that I'm using, the broker that I recommend, click on the first link in this video and open your trading account with the most trusted broker. Okay, so now this is 1 hour. I can see we are having a bit of consolidation around this point here. The market is not trending anyway. Okay, so now let's go to daily. What I see on daily, we had a significant market showing us a move going to the upside, but then we have to break it down in the simplest way to see what is currently happening in the market. Okay, so foremost, let's do this. Okay, it's always advisable, guys, that you, whenever you see something, you take notes and you put it close to you as you analyze, so that you can be able to understand what we've analyzed and also be able to go back in time and see the most significant patterns that you see that, okay, indeed, yes, I'm seeing this type of pattern. Okay, now I'm having the highest point here, which I see we had a double top, and my lowest would be around here, but then I'm focusing on this area here. You can take this point, and the lowest further would be this one, yes. And then if the market breaks, obviously if the market breaks this one and goes, that means you're looking at it. If it breaks this one, this will be your lowest point. This will be your lowest point going forward. So now let's look at what we are currently having, guys. Very tricky, but you can see the market currently has just been playing. You can see the market has just been playing between these two prices, not been moving. So we can say the market has been ranging between this area. Okay, so now I want to see what I can make of this. Go to 4 hour. Okay, now with practice, guys, you'll be able to spot these zones without even putting them. Okay, so now let me just put them so that you guys can be able to see. Okay, another one. It'll be here. Okay, we have our sensitive areas, you can say. So now let's go further into the chart and be able to identify and see here we have some similar pattern. You can see you have to check where the market touches more than once. Okay, so now we have another this. Let's see where something like this. So basically you can see around this zone we had a strong resistance and the market failed to break this area. You can see we had a strong and formed the double M formation and then went to retest again. Now it's here. So but now the significant price, we can see that price is below this point here. You understand? So we have to look at what is the market telling us to do. Okay, let's go to 1 hour. Okay, so now you can see the market is just ranging, the market is not trending. I'll go back to daily. Okay, go back to daily. I want to see what we can make of this. Okay, remove my lines, and then now I'm going to show you guys a much more simplest way. You saw that we had many lines, so but now I'll be giving you guys the much quicker and easier way of analyzing. We can see the market here is in a bullish manner. It's going up, is in a bullish trend. The overall trend is bullish. Okay, so we have something that we call this a chart pattern inside this trading channel, which is also a chart pattern. So we can also say it's a trend. This was a trend inside a trend, a pattern within a pattern. So we can see. So now I can see we're expecting a bit of a push to the upside, because you can see how we managed to unfold at this moves. You can see we had impulse, correction, impulse, a bigger correction, impulse. Then now we have a bigger correction. I'm expecting a push to this line before we can go further up. So I'm expecting the market to push around this area. You can see it's a significant area. How did I see this? Okay, let's go back. You can see this is one of our strongest levels, and then okay, then okay, I'm on daily, guys. So I'm expecting this GBPJPY to come around this level here, and then at this point we look at having our buys. Can also use a line chart if you are having issues with identifying your points, so that you can see where the market is going. So at this point here, I'm expecting a push to the downside. I'm expecting a push to the downside to give me a stronger push to the upside, because you see this support, it's very strong. It's coming also from daily. So I'll be more than happy the market comes and touches this point, then we'll take our moves going up. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. And also remember, I'm gonna look at how is it going down. See, this is what I'm expecting. So we would know that we can have this type of correction to the downside before we push further up. So currently, I'll wait for the market to come here for my buy, but also you have to follow what the market is showing you. I want to show you guys my next this. Okay, we're having this. For me to sell, take advantage of this move, but want the market excuse me, I want the market to do this. You can see here we broke and then we came back. So I'll want the market to break and retest, then I would know that we are having our sell positions. Because I don't want to be caught on the wrong side. The market can, you see now it is broken. The market is broken. Excuse me. So I'll wait. Excuse me, guys, for a retest. So I don't want the market to do this to me and then push to the upside. I'd rather wait for a retest. So guys, make sure you understand, don't be in a rush, because you can see that currently the bears are taking control and we don't want to be caught on the wrong side. You can see this is in a bearish type of form, but in a bigger time frame it is ranging between two prices. So we expect this to come here before we can buy. So currently we can look at selling because of this trend that is currently happening, which is the down trend. You can see we are having this type of formation. You see here. You can see this. So now if we break, we have to retest and push here to give us another touch here before we can shoot to the upside. I hope I managed to break down the GBPJPY in the much simplest form as much as possible, guys. So you know now where we are supposed to buy, where we are currently. So I'm expecting my bigger buy to come from here. and then we're gonna take it all the way up. Appreciate you guys for always watching my channel and also supporting us and also sharing the channel with other people. So you can see this is something that we are looking to break here, and then we're gonna take it all the way to the top. So you can see I made it much more simpler than the first way that I analyzed. It was too much lines. That's why I always tell people that you need to familiarize yourself with putting your lines in a proper way, instead of putting your lines here, your lines here, your lines here. But yes, those lines, they also assist with having your TPs and where you need to capitalize and enter more trades, which is called scaling in. So you need to understand this line. So the way I've analyzed it's much simpler, and you can apply it in your charts. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's your favorite mentor, Ofentse Ledwaba. Catch me in my next video. Don't miss it. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop. Peace.